makasabayan eh. Beat per beat makasabayan. Kitang nanong gagawan da, kitang music. Kanya usad yung Pyromusical. This is not your regular Pyro festival. Kasi it's a musical at the same time.
Yan guys, enjoy yan.
My leg. Choming any keng 10th
Philippine International Pyromusical
Competition.
Hindi na kaming rooftop access. Thank you very much SM City Clark for providing nganing vloggers ang poreng media with rooftop access. We just witnessed itang exhibition na in Philippines, our very own. Solid platinum
fireworks.
Platinum fireworks. Galing nyo, solid kayo. Mebana ako. First time may nakitang makanta na itang mga agnan niya itang
Synchronized
Yes,
yeah. Itang music.
Well, wala mo yung Big New Year, pero kaya kami metang kanta.
Ay,
Lintag na ka?
Eh, ako lindag.
Iba kami kanyan, we're going to immerse ourselves with the crowd. Baka na-experience me, alimugan yung rooftop, but the full Pyromusical experience.
Let's check it out.
Pupunta namin ng entrance. Naring Pyromusical.
Yan yung SM City Food Court.
We're on our way getting VIP access.
Alright, nandun na kami kayong viewing area.
Wow.
So, ating tickets, it's gold,
Platinum, silver, ating mo rin general admission, ating mo rin for VIPs. Kami ngayon nag-choming itang VIP area as media. Ating masanding kayo ni ating magtinda, ating food stalls, ating luklukan, pero nabisa kayo lukluk yung floor. What we're going to do, I think, mga tinggawan na mo.
This happens
Every weekend, in March.
All Saturdays of March.
All Saturdays of March is Shrekenini. So, better catch it. Available na rin tickets. Keng SM mo rin mismo makasali kayo.
So, mag-start yung Feb 23.
Yeah, mag-start yung Feb 23 today.
Any Philippines, Belgium,
Wow.
karang tutuking Saturdays, aliwa-liwala pang bansa. So, catch them out.
This time, it's gonna be Belgium. So, we're very excited. Lawin tayo ng gawanda.
Bamo! Nano yung fireworks king Kapapangan?
Pamakbo?
Pamakbo.
Nung ating yung kalawang term, mention it in the comment section.
May sabihin yung comments, nano yung fireworks kaya Kapampangan.
So that's the first Saturday of the Philippine International
Pyromusical in competition. Salamat SM City Clark for having us.
Thank you so much muna namin po.
And kami.